So by now you've experienced this book, Romeo and or Juliet by Ryan North. But I wanted to tell you a little bit more about him. This is what the book cover looks like. And you've already watched this and taken a quiz, but I put the link there just in case you want it. He says there's about 100 endings, and I counted them. There are 90, and I put post-its in the book where they end. Here's where a lot of the Easter eggs are, the story Easter eggs in the book. If you buy the book, this will help you navigate where those things are. So what do we know about Ryan North? He was born in 1980. He's Canadian. He's a programmer, songwriter, and he's been making his living actually writing comic books. He started Dinosaur Comics. Whispered Apologies is really broken right now. The Happy Dog. I have a link there to, I think, a high school play of an enactment of it. It's kind of interesting. And he's really been making his living as the writer of The Unbeatable Squirrel Girl. And so I put links to those things there as well, so you can explore those on your own. Now, reason why I've put all these links about him in there is because I find it very interesting how his personality and the things that are important to him are really defining and coloring everything that he makes, everything that he writes. And I think for young creators, he's a really good example of how do you take who you are, what's important to you, what your premise is, and put it into your work and have it be the basis of actually your work. And so that's the kind of thing I want for you. I want you to know yourself. I want you to be able to make your work directly out of who you are and what's important to you and what your premise is, and much the same way he does. And so he mentions this in his book debut. I thought for those of you who are really interested in his very quirky, eccentric point of view, and the things that he loves are also quirky and eccentric, you can explore that on your own if you feel like it.